Hello, this is John. We're back to do another video today. We're gonna do a little thing different today. We're gonna fix my automation. I've had some problems with it shutting down the show at the end of the movie because some of the little switches in the timer gears have kind of worn out, and so we're gonna replace the one with the new one, and I can kind of show you what that is. This is a little cam driver that does the timing for the automation, and what that does is when you gets a signal from the sensing tape or even the start button, then it starts to go into its thing and then does the dowser or the turn down the lights, whatever it's told to do from the projector. And that's where some of the sensing tape that I talked about come in, and I can talk a little bit more of that. But anyway, we're going to put this new one in to the automation, which is over here. So we're going to take the cover off, and then we'll take the cover off, and then we'll get in there and take the old one out, and we'll replace it with the new one. Okay, so now we're just going to take the cover off and get inside the automation. And if you look inside, you can actually see the old one that's in there, and that's the one we're going to take out to replace the new one. Okay, so here we go. We're going to just take this old one out. We have to unplug this first, and then we'll unplug all these little unplug all these. Okay, and we can undo the screw here. It's going to take out. Then we just slide this one out. There we go. Slide that one out. Now we'll grab the new one. Grab the new one and slide it back in. Okay, now I need to get this screw back in. Kind of hard to get to a little bit sometimes, but okay. Tighten that one. Tighten that one. And go down and tighten this one if I can find it. There we go. Oop. A little dark in there. There we go. Okay, so then these are all numbered 1 through 5, going 5 from the left to the 1. So we just need to plug these all back in. So there's 5. And there's 4. And there's 3. And there's 2. And there's 1. Okay, just make sure they're all plugged in correctly. And then that's pretty much it. That's how you do that. And then we got the power. This is the other last thing that needs to be plugged in. Plug that in, and that's everything. Okay, so we'll go ahead and turn the automation on, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take some of this the paper towel, and just that holds up that holds up my automation. That holds up the failsafe so that I can turn it on. And so then what will happen is I'll go ahead and push the start button, and then 8 seconds later or 7 seconds later it should actually open the dowser and basically turn down the lights. So now the lights are going down, which is what we want. Okay, so now the movie's been running. It's been running for a while, and now what'll happen is at the end of the show, what'll happen is we'll have a piece of sensing tape come in, and it'll actually hit this here. So it'll hit that one. So now if you look, the lights should start coming up, because that's the inboard. That's your inboard sensing tape. And now your lights are coming up to the mid, and that's what it's designed to do. Okay, so now the credits are running, and now the next thing, the last piece of sensing tape that goes on the soundtrack side goes in, and then when you do this, it turns on. It turns the cycle light on, and so now if you notice, 7 seconds, shuts the dowser, the lights come back up to full, and then when the film runs out, it basically shuts the machine down. So it's working. I got it working. Yay. Yeah, at the end of the show, it wasn't shutting the dowser down, and so it was just a couple of those little switches inside the timer. It wasn't giving the cue. It act like it'd want to, but it wouldn't. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like and subscribe if you like more of these type of videos. And anyway, I appreciate your support, and we'll see you on the next one.